Okay, front end's installed. Stiff that way. The neck bearings are stiff, so move it all this way. Bearings suck on this one. Now move. This one's pretty tight. This one here, there's a lot of movement in it. We don't have any oil in it, so that might be why we got the clearance, but it's definitely got clearance in it. You can hear it. Not good. It is what it is. Okay, so this one we got to put oil in from the other direction. This one doesn't move at all. Spring, big heavy spring in it. Now, right now the axle should go back through it. If everything's lined up correctly, it should be. I'm doing my dirty rag. Okay. It's oily. Let's see if it fits. Kind of. Doesn't like this side. It doesn't like this fork down here. So this fork leg is bent in a little bit, or something's going on. Have to beat it out just on the axle at the same time you're going to go across. So this fork is a little bit different on this side. I think it's a little bit higher up. Comes out easy enough. It just doesn't like going in. Yep. Doesn't like sliding in though. Slides out instantly though. Oh well. It is what it is. Okay, we got to put some oil on this thing. Okay, we don't need our big hammer. Get some tools out of the way we don't need no more. I don't think I need any tools anymore. Right this minute. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and put oil up in here in this one. Same way we did the other one. I do need this one now. Okay, this one you're going to pour some oil in it. We did 11 ounces on the other one, so this can take the same amount. Which is pretty much all of the oil we got left. We'll see. Well, we got a little extra. There's 11 ounces. Yeah, almost. There's 11 ounces. Yeah, we got about 1 ounce left over. Yeah, it's close enough. Okay, so this one. This thing got put through the cap hole on top. We'll use a funnel for that. So we're going to pick our poison up here. I'm thinking this orange one. That's a small diameter. Looks kind of clean. Ah, it must be clean. Has to go through that hole right there. Okay, we got all these cables in the way holding it. So there, just put that like that so it all holds it. We don't want our funnel to fall out, see? We'll have to drain it slow because it's going to want to overflow. But being 10 weight, it flows pretty quickly. So you put it top, make sure it doesn't come out the bottom as you're going. See, a nice steady stream. Don't push it. No leakage. It's good. See? We'll get both views at once. There you go, both views at once. Look at that. Check out that camera work. Stepping up the flow a little bit quicker. She's taking it. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Good thing I got that extra ounce. Okay. We got the weight. Oops, made a mess. Dan was going good too. The thing was taking it like a pro. Alright, well we lubricate everything from here down, so that's good. Okay, well, at least my wrenches are clean. Alright, let's see if it caught up with us yet. We got an air pocket going there. Okay, I took it. See, I was going too fast. I was pushing the limits. What a mess. Good thing I got some extra oil here. I think that's about the right amount too. Okay, that's probably about how much. I got that much left. Do I put it all in there, or do we just throw it in the trash? You don't want to put too much oil in these things. You get in trouble. Yeah. There's a lot in there. There's more in there than we need, so I'm going to stop. We don't need to push the envelope and make a big mess. Well, a bigger mess. The mess I'm talking about is a riding mess. If you have problems riding a bike down the road, it's not worth it. Okay, I'm about to clean that mess up now. Damn, crap everywhere. I don't know how that happened. It's hard to get good help. That's what happened. Okay. Pretty good though. See, it dropped right out here and went right in there. Didn't hit anything on the bike. Kept the bike clean. What did I do with it? There it is. I was looking for this. We also need to put this back in there. Okay. I'll put this side down. Like that. And all of this stuff went on top. There we go. Alright, let's do the rubber now. Okay, it's got stiff. Loose again. Make sure the washer's where it belongs. There it is. Go there. Got real loose there. Alright. Ooh. Vice in the way and a foot pedal and everything's in the way. I'm being attacked in all directions. Okay, now I can go ahead and tighten that thing up over there. Side. Alright, good and tight. Front ends together. Okay. I can work on the rest of it. Alright, let me clean up my mess. I made a mess.